Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're going to be doing more of the angel wings. In the last video I showed you how I'd come up with my patterns and everything, so we won't go through that again. But these were made using, I believe these are made also with cardboard, and some of them are with the stiffened felt, like I was showing you last week. So these are a little different. I'm going to have the process after this introduction, but I wanted to just show you some of the samples. And I'm going to take them out because the feathers are so much prettier when they're out. This one is a cardboard. And on the back, to cover the cardboard, just like on the other, I did put the glitter. I've still got to seal this one. And but it's made with feathers. I used flat feathers down at the bottom and then boa at the top to get the plume. I've put some pearls in there, as you can see, 3 rows of pearls, just to give it a little definition there. And I wanted to use the white ribbon. I thought that was very pretty. And then I did a smaller scale. Now this one is done with the stiffened felt. And on this one I used a little bail on the back instead, and but I did go ahead and I wrapped it with ribbon and put some pearl accents, and then I have the little cross hanging down in the middle, and it's going to be the same process of the flat feathers, the bow at the top. Okay, and then I did this one. I kind of combined last week's with the glitter. It's got the blue glitter and then the larger glitter on top, as you can see, and then outlined in the pearls with the pearl accent there. And then on the back I've covered the entire thing with the feathers so that they kind of show all around it. So just putting these back in the package. If you'll stay with the video, I'm going to go through the process of how I actually put them together now. I just wanted to show you these in the intro. So you guys enjoy the video, and we'll be back next week for the ornaments that were made using lace. Hey guys, it's me. These are inspired by One Happy Bird. I'm always inspired when I watch her channel, though. If you haven't watched it, you really should. But the one that I always had in my mind when I saw her make it was the one in the center here with the cross within the wings. But once I've been playing with it, I'm still not happy with it. I wanted the cross to be a little more delicate, and instead it seems to be overpowering. So I think what I'm going to do instead is stick with the one on the left and just insert a cross like that after I have all the feathers and stuff on it. But anyway, I will be taking you along with me on the decorating part. I didn't want you to watch me sketching out wings to try to find a pattern that I liked. So I went ahead and got this far ahead. This is probably the 2 that I'm going to work with. I'm going to go ahead and finish the one in the middle, maybe just for myself to see what it looks like in the end, but I don't think it's one I'm going to continue with, but I do like the other 2. So I'm going to gather all of my stuff, and you and I are going to work on some angel wings. I also cut them out in cardstock. Well, it's actually heavier than cardstock. It was a gift box, so it's a little bit heavier. I'm going to go ahead and use this as well and compare the 2. I want to make it as cost effective as I can in case you guys are interested in doing this as well. Alright, so we're going to start with some feathers. And I think what I'm going to do to start with is I just want to start going around the edge of the wings. Once I get the edge filled in, then we can come back and fill in everywhere else. Alright, so what I've been doing is gluing some feathers on, starting at the bottom and then layering them up as I move. Now at the top here, I did put on cut off a piece of a boa, a feather boa, and I've glued that on. So now I'm going to be so now I'm going to be moving these down, securing them a little bit more, but you can use the feather boas as well. So I'm going to keep on working. I'm going to put just a little spot of glue there and pull those feathers forward. And just put a little bit of pressure on there to to hold the feathers into that glue. I'm going to need some more. And you can kind of tell where to put the glue just by looking. You're going to have some bare spots, so that's the perfect place to put the glue and pull the feathers forward. Hold that for a minute. So you're going to have flatter feathers at the bottom, and then at the top it's going to look more full with the boa feathers. Now as you do this, you'll constantly be looking at it to see if you need to trim it up anywhere, so that you keep that shape of the wings coming in. Okay, so you can see this is really flyaway. What you can do is pull it over and secure it, or you can just trim it off. So I'm going to keep working, and I'll be back soon. Here is a pair of the white wings, all feathers, and I have just some pearls there in the center.